Hey friends, Bridget here of Rooted Sky Homestead, and it has been a minute, but back in action. Happy spring. We are getting ready to make some stinging nettle butter, so stay tuned. Get your pan, get your butter, get your nettles, and let's go. As you can see, I'm using 2 sticks of salted butter. You can use unsalted if you want. And the reason why I'm going small is I've already done this once this spring and I forgot to record. So I'm like, let's try again. And this isn't a huge basket of nettles, so I really want a nice concentrated stinging nettle flavor. I'm going to start breaking these down, getting the leaves separated from the stems and cutting them into the butter. Okay, so as you can see, they're now in a bowl and I've removed all of the stems. Now it's up to you which way you want to attack this. You can definitely leave the stems on and have a chewier butter, right? You're going to get a lot of texture in that, or you can cut these down. The other method that's even simpler, depending on how fine you want these greens in the mix, okay? You can just put everything into your food processor and cut them down that way with the butter. Like once the butter is melted, just add in the greens and blend. But I like to do it this way. It's satisfying. I don't mind if some pieces are a little chunky. You know, the different ways that we use this I'll get into in a minute, but it's up to you. It's all about texture, preference, and appeal. Okay, so here we are. This is the consistency that I like. Okay, we're gonna add these into the butter. Okay, a couple things that I want to go over. If you've never worked with stinging nettle before, hold on one second here. So a couple things I want to go over. If you've never worked with stinging nettle before, it stings. It's in the name. You're gonna get the sting on your hands, so be prepared. That's why I use the scissors in the bowl instead of holding everything in my hand. Also, when I harvest spring nettle, I am not cutting it down to the base. I'm taking the tops of the plant and working with that. So it's usually like the first top bunch and then the next row down. When you look at nettle, you see a square stem and the leaves come off of the axis. I cut in between that so that it'll keep branching and get even bushier throughout the season. And it also just helps the population to stay really healthy, and I'm not overdoing it. I'm not taking more than what the plant can handle because it wants to flower and reproduce. So I am really conscious of how much I take, where I take it from, and how often. And you can see we're starting to wilt as the butter warms. The greens wilt down. This is what we want. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, there you have it. Super simple. Before this cools, I'm going to pour it into a mason jar, a nice, clean, sterilized mason jar. And this will last quite some time in the refrigerator. I love to use this with our morning eggs. We put it on pasta. You can make garlic bread with it, which is really yummy. But however you would use butter, if you want to have some extra nutrition, some bright, bold green, and a little bit of earthy flavor, this is your jam. So enjoy. I hope you have fun making your own butter.